Hey guys, welcome back. Carter, BitsBeTrippin. It's been a few minutes. Let's get into something a little different today. We're going to do a company highlight, and we're going to try to do this probably once a month for different companies throughout the industry that are part of the crypto ecosystem, providing services of some sort, and just giving you guys some extra exposure. We go to events and meet different companies. This is part of the reason why BitsBeTrippin would go to, something like Miners Disrupt and talk with some of the companies. What are they trying to provide? Give them some sort of a voice to see, do people know that they even exist? What kind of services do they provide? Are you looking to fulfill a need and you're looking for somebody that actually has had a conversation and that they know that they exist? That's what we're going to bring to you today. So today's first company highlight is sponsored by and is Wattum. So we're going to jump right into it of who is this company. We met them down in Miners Disrupt earlier this year, and looking at, talking to different companies that were down there around the enterprise kind of medium to large scale providers, somebody that's in the space working with, if it's investment groups or anybody that, let's say you manage a current farm yourself, but you're looking to expand it in some way, up to a megawatt plus. How and who would you use to do that? And where do you even get the hardware for it? If we're talking Bitcoin miners, where do you get a container from that's already built out, that has a UL specification if you're in the US, CA specification if you're in Canada? Like, who can you use here? And we're going to talk to Wattum today. So Wattum is a company that provides those type of services. They are a container builder. They also have on their website, they even have transformers on their website, folks. So we're looking at 10-foot, 20-foot, and 40-foot containers. Now, this is what pulled our eye to them at Miners Disrupt. They had a container sitting there, and talking to folks on the field around their hosted solutions. If you're buying units, buying Bitcoin miners through them, and co-hosting in one of their facilities, and or if you're looking to expand your own operation, you already have the land, you have the power, and you're just looking for somewhere to put units in. If it's a container solution, these folks have, the 10-foot, the 20-foot, and the 40-foot full-size containers. We were particularly interested in the 40-foot container solutions, about 1.3 megawatts in total size. You're looking around 300 Bitcoin S19s, even more so if you're looking at like the WhatsMiner, 31Ss, and looking at, could this company provide that? And what would be the steps there? So they have a real good sales guy, Isham, that we had talked to about different sizing and solutions for a container operation that we're looking at right now, and just seeing what they could provide. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to make sure that from a company highlight standpoint, especially on the enterprise side, this really isn't for like the home miner. They do have, single unit cells, minimum order quantity one, hosted solutions for that, but really looking at the differentiator being a company that can provide, 40-foot container built to spec, all the way to 277 volt, which allows you to do your configuration of your S19 build out very optimally versus like 208, where you're really maximizing two miners on a single 30 amp circuit, where now you could get 2.5, so you can share a circuit. Just some innovative designs like that when you're talking container build out and structure really took our eye to that. So, we're obviously have the link below to the website and some of the services they provide. There's pool services, hosted managed solution services that Wattum's there, and just one of the companies that we'd like to highlight for this video today. So let's go through some quick B-roll, and we'll give you guys some quick stats of some of the stuff that they were able to send over to us. I would like to do a site visit. We just couldn't arrange it in the time that we have, being around Christmas time. to do a site visit here at one of their multiple locations in the United States. But we wanted to at least highlight, for them, after having some good conversations with them, what their service offerings are. So people always hit us up about, hey, I'm trying to build out our container setup. Should we build our own container? Should we consult with somebody? I would always say, at a minimum, it never hurts to reach out to somebody and have a conversation that's in the space, that has experience in this space, and give them a ring. So again, let's go through some of the content that we can look here, and then we'll wrap this one up. All right, hopefully that's shown you guys some of the behind the scenes of the setups for Wattum, and make sure you guys are liking, subscribing. Can't wait to get you guys into 2022. Lot coming down the pipe for you guys. Hopefully you guys like company highlight stuff like this. There's several more that we're going to be doing over into the next year. We'll catch you guys on the next one.